Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add tags in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do once you're logged into the dashboard, come in the left hand panel, click on Workspaces, and then from here make sure you click on More Features, right? And then I want you to scroll down till you see Organize and just toggle on Tags. There we go. Now that tags are toggled on, you can see there's a specific section just for tags, and you can go ahead and add tags, right? Then you can enter a name. Maybe it's a company or project you're working on. So we'll name this project Y, and then click here on Save. There you go. We have this tag. Now you can just go to any report, any expense, and click on any expense that you have. And now you're able to click here and add the tags, as you can see right there. And that is how you add tags in Expensify.